This time I would like to invite to deliver English speech the brilliant student of Jalnur Foundation, Taqi Afreen, grade 3.
On the occasion of Sirat Mahfil and Prize Giving Ceremony 2024, Honorable Chair, Honorable Chief Guest, special and invited guests, Sirat winners, dear my friends and guardians, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Takia. I study in class 3 of Jabali Nur Ideal Madrasa. I would like to share with you how I spend my days. In the name of Allah, peace and salutation be upon the final messenger Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I get up early in the morning. I do ablution, then I say Fajr Salah, finishing my prayer. I recite the Holy Quran. I have my breakfast at 9 o'clock. After breakfast, I brush my teeth. I put on my madrasa uniform. Then I go to my madrasa on rickshaw. Our class starts at 11 a.m. In the madrasa, I offer salam to the elders and the youngers. In the classes, I do my classes very well, submit my homework well. I listen to my teacher's lecture very carefully. I have lunch at 1 p.m. Then I say my Johor Salah in my madrasa prayer hall. In the afternoon, I play with my friends, cousins and neighbors. In the evening, I do my homework. Then I have dinner with my family at 9 p.m. After dinner, I brush my teeth with meswak and take my ablution. Then I say my Isha Salah and I go to bed. I fall asleep saying the sleeping dua before sleeping. Allahumma bismika amutu ahya. When we can't, I watch important English programs to learn English. On holidays, I visit my aunt and uncle in the afternoon. I help my parents and grandparents. I also take care of my younger brothers. I also share my free times with my old grandparents. Dear audience, thank you so much for listening to my speech. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.